In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to draw your patterns accurately. Again, another one of my bugbears is when students send me charts and I've got trend lines started from different locations and the patterns just don't look correct. So we'll start off exactly like what we have here with a trend line drawn. If you need to learn how to draw trend lines accurately, then do click the lesson on how to draw them. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to copy and paste this trend line and I'm going to drag it to the bottom here. This pattern is called a descending channel. And the great thing about this is all I did is copy and paste the initial trend line. And you can see 3 clear touches at the top, 2, 3, 2 touches at the bottom, 1, 2. So you can more than likely anticipate a third touch before a breakout of this pattern. Now, I'm not going to go through in detail of what the pattern does and how it would break out depending on where price entered or anything along the lines of that. But what I mean by drawing a pattern accurately, look on the left-hand side here. You can see because I copy and pasted it, the starting points, and look at the crosshair, are roughly at the same point. The ending points are roughly at the same point. What you don't want to do is draw something that looks like this. You see the starting point is here and the bottom starting point is down here. And it just doesn't look right, guys. Look at that. It just doesn't look right. And so if it doesn't look right, it probably isn't that pattern. And so you want to make sure that your patterns are drawn accurately, correctly. You want it to be roughly the same, exactly like this. Again, try not to draw through the candle bodies, ideally through the wicks if possible, unless you see a clear fake out. And so that's just an example of how you would draw your patterns accurately.